Well, I'm on the way. What you may see in my background is my road to my house back there. I don't want to do this. By the way, it's Veterans Day. Happy birthday. Thanks to all you veterans. I served too, but I was never in really serious harm's way. Well, except for a few times. But that was back when we were trying to get the Iranians to shoot at us. And that was before Desert Storm, all you guys, during the Iran-Iraq conflict, way back when. Anyway, God, I feel like an old geezer. I'm trying to put a good face on it, but I'm in a tough spot right now. Basically, I have a large boat with no motor. I am anxious as hell. I really don't want to. The feelings of wanting to give up are kind of coming on me, and I know, all the stuff that I would tell someone in my situation, I'm trying to tell myself, be my own counselor and all, but yeah, I don't know. This is an enormous project for a guy. And it would be so much easier just to kind of sit back and let life happen to me. I continue to gain inspiration from someone, like Nikki Steiger, who I really don't know her experience level, but her adventurousness and willingness to face things and learn things keeps me going. She reminds me so much of my sister, who was killed many years ago. Just a willingness to challenge life, and all I want to do is live on my boat and sail and read philosophy and science. Well, folks, anyway, I'm on the main road now, and talk about hands-free. So I'll let you know how things are going. I may even try to film some of it if this bloody camera keeps working. I'm pushing up on about 20 minutes of film time, so I think it's about time for the hero to quit. And I'll tell you if I'm being ripped off too, and by who, if that's the case. Take care, y'all.